Pocatello animal shelters had to put down 6 cats and quarantine several others because of a recent outbreak of the feline virus, FCV. Local News 8's Misty Inglet visited the shelter today to see what the causes are of that virus and what the shelter is doing to try to keep it from getting worse, and she joins us now live from the shelter. Misty?
Carol, FCV is a virus that affects only cats. Kittens and older cats are the most susceptible. Cleanup started last Thursday to try to prevent it from spreading further.
20 cats in isolation. The rest of the cats gone, leaving the adoption kennels empty. Feline calicivirus is one of several highly contagious diseases that can be spread at shelters. Shelters are more susceptible because of the high number of animals in such close proximity. And it's hard because of the animals that come in.
We see the worst of the worst when it comes to diseases that come through our door. A lot of the animals we see never been vaccinated for anything before.
After 3 days of getting a new animal, a health check is done. But if that health check is clean, they have no way of knowing the cat may still be carrying FCV because
it takes anywhere from 5 to 14 days before they even start to show signs that they're contagious.
Those signs of FCV that start to develop are sneezing, ulcers in the mouth or nose, and bloody mucus. FCV can be transmitted through feces, saliva, or fur. It can also be airborne, which causes it to spread so quickly.
There's no, magic pill that we can give them. It's got to run its course.
But the shelter is taking precautions to prevent it from spreading further. They're cleaning all kennels and areas several times with bleach. All staff members near the isolated cats wear gloves and gowns to prevent spreading toxins to other areas. Humidifiers and bleached towels under the doors will contain toxins in the air. The shelter also plans to put plastic flaps on the kennels to hopefully prevent the future spread of airborne disease.
Our job is to concentrate on what we can do to try to prevent that cross-contamination as much as possible.
The shelter says that they're giving the cats antibiotics to help fight off other sickness so that their immune systems can better fight the FCV. Due to the ulcers in their mouths, they've also put the cats on a wet food diet rather than a dry one to make it easier for them to eat. Live at the Pocatello Animal Shelter, I'm Misty Inglet.
All right, thank you, Misty. It takes about 14 to 24 days for that virus to clear the cats' systems, but they can still spread the virus for another 30 days.